In today's video, I'll show you on how to use the Twitter app, or better known as X. So come on, let's hop into the video. Download and open the app. Now you should have three options: Google, Apple, or create an account. Me personally, I always go with Google to try and create my account. Once you've chosen and signed into your new Twitter account, hit continue, and add in your birth date. Now select what you want to be called by. When picking a unique username, it'll help you find your friends or help you stay anonymous. On Twitter, you'll be able to decide who to follow and get notified when someone you know joins X. And turn off syncing at any time. Hit continue. And then hit don't allow or hit allow. Now, you'll want to select at least 3 interests to personalize your X experience. They'll be visible on your profile. Next, pick the categories you would like to see on your X feed. Now, to make sure that we don't miss out on anything, pick the accounts that you would like to follow. I'm definitely going to follow Elon since he owns Twitter, and Gordon Ramsay. Last but not least, hit next. This is the home screen. This is where you can see your feed, and you'll be able to see who you follow as well. Next, we have the search tab. Then we have Grok, which is an AI feature you can ask it virtually anything. And there's also the community tab, which is where you can join groups or create your own. And of course, you have your notification center. And last but not least, you have voice messaging, making messaging even more convenient. Now to see your profile icon, click on the top left-hand corner. So here you can see my username and how many people I'm following. Click the blue plus arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. And I'm just going to type in another tutorial. And then I'll slap on an emoji and click post. And you should be able to see my post. And that's how to create a Twitter account. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Bye guys.